Carrier. Now in this video we are going to see exercise 3.2 question number 3. ठीक है. So question 3 says that on comparing the ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. ठीक है. So आपको ये बताना है कि ये pair of linear equation है वो consistent है या inconsistent है. So first of all consistence और inconsistence के बीच का डिफरेंस जान लेते हैं. So any pair of linear equation is said to be consistent if it has a solution. If it has a solution. अब उसका solution है उसका मतलब क्या है? That either it has a unique solution or it has infinite many solution. In these two cases, the equation is said to be consistent. And if the equation is parallel or it is having no solution, then it is inconsistent. Right? चलो, let's start. So first one start करते हैं. The equation is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. Now let's write the values. So a1 is 3, the coefficient of x, b1 is 2 and c1 is 5. a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3 and c2 is 7. Students, यहाँ पे मैंने 5 और 7 को इसी साइड रखा है. I have kept it on right hand side only. इसको आप लेफ्ट साइड भी लाओगे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन लेफ्ट साइड पे लाओगे तो दोनों में माइनस आ जाएगा ना, -5 -7. सो कोई चेंज नहीं है. सो अगर इक्वल के उस साइड भी है तो भी आप डायरेक्ट ले सकते हो. यू कैन आल्सो ब्रिंग इट ऑन दिस साइड एंड देन यू कैन टेक एज पर योर विश. नाउ मुझे ये बताना है कि इसका कंसिस्टेंस है या इनकंसिस्टेंस है. सो आई नीड टू चेक द रेशियोज. सो a1 upon a2 is 3 upon 2, right? And b1 upon b2 is 2 upon minus 3 and c1 upon c2 is 5 upon 7. So as you can see a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. ठीक है. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. Therefore this pair has unique solution, which means it is consistent. Is consistent, right? Now let's solve second one. यहीं पे करता हूँ मैं second one में. देखो second one में क्या है बच्चों? 2x minus 3y is equals to 8. 2x minus 3y is equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y is 9. So these are the two equations, right? Now a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3 and c1 is 8. a2 is 4, b2 is minus 6 and c2 is 9, right? Now let's compare. So a1 upon a2, that will be equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 is minus 3 upon minus 6, minus plus, this is 1 upon 2, right? Or c1 upon c2. So c1 upon c2 is 8 upon 9. Clear? Now you can see that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, which is not equals to c1 upon c2. So a1 upon a2 की वैल्यू b1 upon b2 के वैल्यू के बराबर है, लेकिन वो c1 upon c2 के इक्वल नहीं है, right? Which means that it has no solution. It has no solution and therefore it is inconsistent. Okay. So ये हो गया second one. You all can take a note. Then we will move to the third one. Okay. So moving to third one. For the third case, the third equation is then 3 by 2x 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y is equals to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equals to 14. So these are the two equations. ठीक है, चलो. So A1 is 3 upon 2, B1 is 5 upon 3 and C1 is 7. A1, B1, C1. A2 is 9, B2 is minus 10 and C2 is 14. ठीक है. Now let's compare the ratio. तो बच्चों सबसे पहले किसका रेशियो फाइंड करेंगे? A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 that is 3 upon 2 upon 9. 3 upon 2 upon 9. तो बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? ये 9 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चला जाएगा. So that will be 3 upon 2 into 9 that is 3 upon 18. So ये हो गया A1 upon A2 is 3 upon 18. Now when you simplify this 1 upon 6. 3 6 है 18 होता है ना. Now B1 upon B2. So B1 upon B2 is 5 upon 3 whole upon minus 10. So again this 10 will be multiplied with 3. So that will be minus 30. That is minus 1 upon 6. B1 upon B2 is minus 1 upon 6. Now C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2 क्या है बच्चों? 7 upon 14. That is 1 upon 2. So here the value of A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So as A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, there is a unique solution for this equation and therefore this equation is consistent. It is consistent, right? चलो next fourth one. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? Fourth 5x minus 3y is equals to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y is equals to minus 22. So these are the two equations. Now let's solve. So write the value of A1, B1, C1. A1 is 5, B1 is minus 3 and C1 is 11. A2 is minus 10, B2 is 6 and C2 is minus 22. Now compare the ratios. A1 upon A2 रेशियो लेते हैं A1 upon A2 का. इट इज 5 upon minus 10. ठीक है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करो, minus 1 upon 2 हो जाएगा, 5 बचा 10 होता है, राइट. B1 upon B2 लेते हैं बच्चों. So B1 upon B2 is minus 3 upon 6 that is minus 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2 भी 11 upon minus 22 that is minus 1 upon 2. 11 बचा 22. So A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2 all the values are same. मतलब इसके इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, तो ये कंसिस्टेंट हुआ ना. सो इट इज कंसिस्टेंट, राइट. देखो कितना आसान है, जब मैथ्स इज वेरी इजी. लास्ट वन, फिफ्थ वाला. So let's solve fifth one. It is 4 by 3x plus 2y is equals to 8, equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equals to 12, this is equation number 2. Now let's write the values. So A1 is 4 upon 3, B1 is 2 and C1 is 8. A2 is 2, B2 is 3 and C2 is 12. A1 4 upon 3, B2 is 2, C1 is 8, right? A2 is 2, B2 है 3 और आपका C2 है 12. ठीक है बच्चों. Now let's take the ratio. A1 upon A2 that is 4 upon 3 whole upon 2. So 4 upon 3 into 2. 4 upon 3 into 2. Now 2 2s are 4, so it is 2 upon 3. A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 3. Now B1 upon B2, it is also 2 upon 3, and C1 upon C2 is 8 upon 12. Now 8 और 12 दोनों forgettable में आएंगे. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. So A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. तीनों की वैल्यू सेम है. Again, it is having infinite solution. So this pair is consistent. So this was the last part of question 3. Okay, that's all for this video. Goodbye.